Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start reading work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about UiPath Forum. So basically, you'll be having questions, right? What actually this UiPath Forum means, how it works. So this UiPath Forum is an online platform, so which help you to share your ideas, post your question, and find a solution for the common problems. And this UiPath Forum is free and open to for each and every UiPath users. You may be like beginner or intermediate or expert level. If you have any questions or doubts, you can directly go ahead and post to the UiPath forum. Also, you can follow up with the healthy discussions. You will be getting a valuable feedback. So, how to attain the solution in the best way. So, in this always, UiPath forum will play a vital role to place your solution in a better standpoint of view. So let me go to the UiPath forum and post your questions over there. And one more important note. So this particular video and then forum links will be used for who has been enrolled for the non-module program. So let me quickly jump to the forum now. So already I just opened my forum. So you can use this hyperlink to open your forum link. So I'll be just pasting this in the description as well. Don't worry about that. Let me go to the UiPath forum. As I mentioned earlier, you can go ahead and type your particular question over here. So it may be like asked by someone else also. So you can get those particular solution. So if not, then you can directly come to the new topics and go ahead and create your new questions over here. So let me click on new topics. Once I clicked on new topics, this particular window will be appeared. So what actually you have to do here? So you have to paste your entire description. So entire like a problem statement. So you have to mention over here. Once you have mentioned, also you can make your headline on this particular tab. So what I'll be doing, so for example, so let me take a scenario. So you have created a variable, okay. So you're not able to print the particular variable in the right line. So this may be the problem statement. So what you can do here, you can mention in detail, so what actually you have been created, so in what way you have been tried to print in the right line, so that the experts will be able to answer and get your questions, so where you have went wrong. So let me post my problem statement here. So already I just stored in my clipboard. So this is the problem statement, so which I discussed now. So which is int a, I was created a variable, so I was not able to print this particular variable value in the right line. Okay, so this is the statement. So and then so I'll just make a header as well. So as a header, I just simply mention what actually I was not able to perform. Okay, so let me just, yeah. So I was unable to print the value in the right line, right? So I just made this particular simple header. Okay. So in this, what actually the operation you can do? So you can tag the particular person if you know, or else like you can attach the screenshot as well. So let me go to the UiPath Studio. So what I'll be doing here, so I can also take a snip of this particular workflow and then attach in the forum as well. So let me try to snip this. Okay. So with the help of snipping tool, I was able to snip this particular problem statement. So once you have captured your problem statement using snipping tool, so what you can do, you can just make a control V. That's it. So that directly the particular image will be uploaded to the UiPath forum. So no need to save those things. Nothing is needed actually here. Just take a snip and then control V. So which help you to paste your question directly over here. So you can see here, right? So the image has been attached over here. So you have posted your question. Also, you have attached the image of your particular problem statement so that they can be very clear and very specific to the errors and get your solution ASAP. So once you're done with your entire problem statement, try to click on create post. That question will be posted to the UiPath forum. So once the experts came to know these particular questions, and they will quickly go ahead and answer your question. So in that way, UiPath forum basically works. So you can go ahead and post your question in a detailed way so that you can get your solution ASAP. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.